We all know someone who hates their job, and we all know someone that says that they don't know the right job for them. And maybe that someone is you. In fact, 50% of the people in this world want to figure out the right career for them. Whether you're just starting off or have been at a job that you don't like for years, it can be daunting to choose that first or the next right career path for you. And I completely understand that. That is why I wanted to give you 5 tips today that will help you reassure that you are on the right track to finding that perfect job for you. But before we get into the tips, a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to receive a new content every Tuesday and Friday as soon as it's published. And now, let's get to business. When we are in doubt, we often look at a resume, at an area of study which supposedly defines what we are qualified to do. But what we are qualified to do is not necessarily what we are meant to do. A wise person once gave me an excellent, or should I say excellent analogy. He compared our credentials, area of study, and accomplishment, this is our resume's content, to an eggshell, and said that we tend to accept that shell as a very identity by getting too attached to it, which makes it hard to get rid of it. However, it is important to remember that this shell can be cracked open to disclose hidden, unique qualities. This is a unique passion. It is crucial self-discovery that will help you identify who you want to be at your job and what you want out of it, which will in return help you find the right answer to what you want to do as a career. So the first key step is cracking the eggshell and finding your passion. So now that you have made the self-discovery and you are aware of what you want out of your job, it can still be overwhelming for you to make a decision. Hence, the next step in finding your dream career is sorting through all your options in order to find the best route. So make a list of all your options, whether those are tangible job opportunities if you're a recent graduate or an education path if you're a high school student. Once you have everything written down, you will get a clear idea of what isn't quite right for you and help you focus on your goals accordingly. Try to create as many options for yourself so you have plenty to choose from. You can also rank your options from best to worst. Think about this as a pro and con list. You can create a table for comparisons of all the positives and negatives and accordingly rank them, leading us to the third tip of this video. Now that you have narrowed your career goals after preparing the entire list of careers, it is very important that you try as many careers as possible on the list. If you're young or if you're an early professional and are not sure about the right career for you, it means that you have not tried enough careers. In this scenario, let's take food as an example. If you have not tried most cuisines, it would be difficult to be 100% sure of your preferences. If you never try, you will never know what you like and what you don't. So you can treat this as a process of elimination, which will help you realize how well you fit a certain chosen field. For example, I like data entry and I was good at it. But within a month at my job of trying it out, I knew it was not right for me. So once you have found your passion, narrowed down your career list, try to be open-minded and gain as much experience as possible. And now, moving to the fourth tip of this video. In my opinion, everyone has an idea of what career they want to pursue. And when someone says that they don't know, I attribute it to an underlying fear, because if they say it out loud, they know that they will have to act on it. When you seek your passion, there will be parts of you that will go into rebellion. We all have a huge number of fears around failure, success, visibility, and vulnerability, instructing us that we shouldn't do what we love. If you let these fears win, your passion will remain out of your grasp. It is key you understand that your passion can be profitable, but it is critical that you find out how you can make your passion profitable. And once you figure that out, you can fight your fears with more strength. So stay strong, fight your fears, and reassure yourself that your ship is moving in the right direction. And now, moving on to the final tip of this video. And lastly, informational interviews are a great way for you to test the waters. The more people you talk to, the more insight you can get into what the organizational culture is like, what the people are like at the firm, and how they enjoy the work. By reviewing multiple career histories, you may identify a pattern that will point you in the right direction. People who work in the occupations of your interest can provide first-hand advice on how your career trajectory would look like. So access your network, very much including those on LinkedIn, to find people you can learn from. For some further networking tips, head over to the link on my site, and if you're looking forward to acing your informational interview, subscribe now because a video on it is coming very soon. Show a thumbs up and share this video with your friends if you found it useful. And see you again on Tuesday for a new podcast episode.